My name's Janelle Thompson. I am with Premier Medical Staffing Services, and I'm the Director of Marketing Operations. And I also lead our tech stack, our marketing, and then also do a lot with our Office 365 and IT. 2018, we were that small company. We were across the street here, and we were that small company we were putting paper on the meeting doors to schedule meetings. Being in marketing, because I knew how to do Excel and PowerPoint, I was the volunteer to be able to say, hey, find us someone who can help out with, we wanted to transition. We were looking between the two and we wanted to do Office 365. So it was a Google search and I saw that CCB Technology, yes, great organic rankings, but it was also the way that the company was in the community and also the knowledge base that you had on the internet presence and also your social media. So I went in with a marketing mind and a tech mind. It was overwhelming. We had, what do you mean licenses? What do I mean domains? CCB came in and they said, we will take care of that for you. We're going to answer those questions. We're going to help personalize the experience. We take care of it. That's going to fit your business needs now and also the growth of the business. And that worked out great. It was just peace of mind, but also there was a personal connection right away. Everyone from CCB since we started has always wanted to create a relationship to actually get to know the person and the needs, which is rare. Usually we're more than just a support ticket number for sure. So when I'm looking at ROI of CCB Technology, I am looking at how it's helping us reduce not only the financial costs, because I have someone who's Googling or spending time trying to fix it by themselves. We take a deep breath and we say, nope, just call CCB, please. If you look at our core values, I'm going to reflect on two of them. One is going to be personal attention. Personal attention is huge, and that's what we do not only for the clinicians who we help staff, but also our clients who need that help to provide better patient care. CCB Technology and that help desk support provides that personal attention. They're answering right away. They email right away. Hi, Janelle. How are you? What do you need? They have the history. They know the trends. They know what they're walking into. Even if it's taking time to look into something to find out the why of a problem, I'm still getting that update. I'm still getting that communication. Hey, we're still into this. Hey, I talked to someone. Two, humorous. You guys are funny. And I appreciate that, especially at a time when you were just having I don't know if there's a security hack. I don't know if we did something stupid. Can you fix this? Is this third time? I do appreciate the humor. So I definitely say for sure, when I'm looking at the ROI of a partnership with CCB Technology, I am looking at all facets of financial, emotional, and mental well-being from what you've saved us. A lot of times you hear these horror stories, these gruesome things of these IT people who are just very robotic, who are just sit there to make you feel bad because you did something wrong, that type. But CCB Technology, you have not just the expertise, but you're human and you know it. And you got the personality for it and you love it. So it's nice to have a go-to partner and not wonder what if. So, and I'm looking forward to even growing more with CCB Technology because that's where we are and that's where we need to be.